Dan Geyer, and I own Agriberry Farm here in Hanover County.
Hi, I'm Tony Kurlock with Serene Construction, LLC.
Hi, my name's John Rezavec. I'm the owner and operator of CertaPro Painters of Midlothian.
My name is Craig Atkinson with Green Setup Landscaping. I'm in business for 9 years.
I've been in business for about 5 years now.
I've been in the business about 3 years, and when I first got into the business, I didn't have a clue about accounting.
I started my company in spring of 2008, and it's a farm business, and I knew I would be far too busy with that to be working on bookkeeping.
I knew about sales, I knew about a lot of things, but accounting was that one area where I really needed some help.
My first 3 years, I stumbled my way through the business.
We were seeking a company that could help us with our day-to-day activities, paying bills, and also a CPA service that we could trust going forward.
I'm really excited to be able to tell you a little bit about my great experiences with Steiner Business Solutions.
About 2 years ago, I moved to Richmond. I met Dan Steiner at a networking event. Since that point, I've pretty much handed the business side of my business over to him.
I was great when we went to do a business plan. He had such great, there were such good questions. When you're doing a business plan, you need another business person to sort of bring out the tough questions that a lender might have.
A colleague of mine suggested I get a hold of Dan, and we sat down, and next thing I knew, Dan was giving me some suggestions that I had never thought of before.
We have real-time numbers that we can make critical business decisions in a timely manner.
And not only that, he was able to refer me to his tax service, and that was seamless. And we were so impressed with the Steiner tax services. It's been a great asset for us.
And over the past 2 years, I've almost doubled my income.
And I've enjoyed working with him ever since and highly recommend him.
He's the kind of guy that's patient. He'll take the time to give you the kind of guidance that you need.
I would strongly recommend calling Steiner Business Solutions.
Bottom line is I would recommend Steiner Business Solutions for your business.
So if you're in need of any accounting help, any tax help for a small business, I recommend you get a hold of Dan. He's going to chart a path for you toward success.